Hey, I'm Travis, running podiatrist at Functional Souls Podiatry, and these are my 3 top picks for the shoes I've used clinically over the last 12 months. This year, I sort of gravitated a lot to the Brooks Ghost Max, and the reason for that is it's got a really wide base, it's super stable, and then it's got a really nice rocker. So the addition of the rocker on top of that stable base means that for anyone suffering with any pain through the middle of their foot or into the forefoot, it just rolls them through, it takes pressure off and allows those joints to unload and just recover. So when I'm looking for a shoe that does most things and will just get someone back to general activities, I'm certainly looking at the Ghost Max. My second sort of shoe that I look at, and I've used quite a bit clinically this year, is the Asics Kayano. And so the reason that I use the Kayano is that it's super stable and it takes a lot of pressure off the inside part of the foot. So when I've got patients who are suffering with pain along the arch or inner part of their foot, inner part of the shin, saying like shin splints, medial tibial stress syndromes, even plantar fasciitis, that's a shoe that I'll sort of lean to. It has a little bit of weight to it, but it tends to be super comfortable for them. So they're sitting in a little bit more cushion and it reduces some of those pressures, allowing us to heal those tissues and get them back to doing what they enjoy. And my third pick this year is the Topo Atmos. And so the reason I like the Atmos is because it's got a wider toe box. It sits on a 5mm drop, which means I'm not taking someone all the way down to 0 if they're suffering with sort of Achilles pain or they're just used to a traditional shoe. But I get the advantage that I've got a big wide toe box to stick them in, which means they get less irritation and rubbing if they have bunions or claw toes, or they just want a bit more space to allow those toes to function. And by having a more functional toe, it allows the foot to strengthen while also being unloaded by the nice rocker that the Atmos has. So those are the shoes that I generally gravitate towards and have been using this year most of the time.